I can do the thong as well or whatever.
Oh.
Game on! Go, go, go!
It's great film and there's nobody stood there.
Remember, you've got to go under it. Don't go around it. A knife, kill out and back.
I can't believe you missed me with the knife. Yeah. I would have loved to be a part of that.
I missed you with the revolver.
It was amazing.
Damn it!
Brilliant.
Damn it! Lightsaber kill.
I think I got that on film.
I'm going to get revived.
Oh, no.
Ready for a
That is one of the marshals, Tony or Santa. His beard's growing back, it looks great. Shotgun Sally. Coming across. Don't stick my finger in front of the camera, would be useful, wouldn't it? Come across. Good run, good run. Contemplating his existence. Don't worry, I'm not giving away any positions. Oh, hello. Looks like, thank Cross, I got a good cover on this thing now. Cameraman! That's the view I just come around the corner to. Thin brown line, thick brown smudge. Sorry, player. I'll try and get you without giving away your position. That sniper. Oh, look at him. Oop, autofocus. Go home, you're drunk. Ouch, I've just been shot in the foot. What I'm doing is not. I'm walking around corners with a camera, people end up shooting the shit out of me. Hello, gentlemen. Woo. Awesome.
Yeah, has anyone got a grenade? This building inside. This one right next to us. Yeah, this one we're on.
The commanders are dead and out. Go ready for mating.
My fucking mic's not working.
Oh, language on YouTube, it's terrible. That didn't go in. Didn't go bang neither.
Cameraman, don't speak. Don't speak.
Now I'm going to notice on that one that it didn't go off. Hey, well played. Hook you right on elbow.
Ooh, fucking hell. Oh, look at all the dead players. They all die. Coming past. Hello. Oh, hi, Mum. Seem to have missed the ball.